This is the specimen A that we'll have in the biology practical. That's the specimen A. This is the egg that are being laid. So the egg actually being laid, you see the color has kind of a golden color. That's how the egg look like. Okay, you can see it very well. Then this is actually the stages of development of the egg. The egg has will develop into a mature catfish. Then from the stages of development we'll have, you can see it, 1 2 3 4 5 to 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, this is specimen B. This specimen B has to do with egg. You can see the shell for protection, the thick albumen, the chalaxa, the air spaces, the germinal disc, and the vitelline yolk or membrane. Okay, these are actually the egg and longitudinal section of the egg. Okay, if actually you're asked to draw the longitudinal section, you should practice this particular one. That is the longitudinal section of the egg. Then over here is the specimen C. Specimen C have the fetus. You can see the fetus. Okay, there is a fetus in the womb. You see the amniotic fluid, the umbilical cord, the placenta. So these are things they're going to ask you. What is the function of amniotic fluid? It helps to prevent the fetus from mechanical damage. Then the placenta attached to the fetus to the wall of the uterus. Then you have what we call the umbilical cord. That's a cord which the fetus feed from the mother. Okay, so the placenta has so many functions. I will tell some of the functions. That is the place the baby feeds. Okay, so that's the specimen C is specimen D, sorry, is part of Barbados. So you should draw the reproductive part of Barbados, and you can see the ovary, the style, the pedicle, the receptacle, the stigma, the anther, the stamen. So the major part you're going to look out for and make sure it is there in your diagram is the stigma, the anther, the ovary, okay, and the ovule. Okay, so these are the major parts that you make sure that they are there, while include all other parts too for the specimen. The specimen E is the leaf of Pride of Barbados. You can see it very small. You can see the nature of the leaf, how the leaf look like. It look like more of like a fern. It's a fern that has that kind of leaf again. Okay, that's the leaf of Pride of Barbados. Then over here we see the leaf of the plant cocoyam, which is called Colotia esculenta. You can see the stem, the leaves, the corn, the roots. Okay, so that is the vegetative propagation is also important to note. Then we'll have that section of an orange. The orange pulp, you can see it there when it's being divided into two longitudinally. That's how it looks like. Okay, that's the longitudinal section of an orange. Has a mesocarp, the mesocarp. Okay, you can see it there. So that is it. Then we'll have a coconut. Coconut is actually a drupe, while the orange stands or goes for berry. So this drupe you can see has a mesocarp and endocarp. Okay, and we also have an endocarp, mesocarp, and exocarp. The mesocarp is a fibrous. Okay, and that's how drupe are. Drupe are always fibrous, especially example of drupes are included mangoes and mangoes, coconut. These are the drupes. Okay, they fall in the category of the drupe. So another one here is capsicum annum, which is the pepper. You can see the longitudinal section of the pepper. Okay, you can see the pepper, you can see the parts, the calyx and the apex and some part of the pepper being labeled too. Okay, so that is in the pepper.